Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to fix payment method verification required in App Store. It's very simple. It happened when your payment methods have expired on your device, or could be a subscription or trial where Apple tried to charge you and now they have noticed your payment method is not working anymore. To solve this problem, you have to update your payment method. If you have a subscription you no longer want, you need to cancel it before updating. So first go to App Store, then go to your profile by click on your profile icon on the top right corner, and then go to the purchase options, and from here you have to manage subscription. Next, update your payment method. To do this, go to your phone settings, then go to your payment and shipping options, and then you need to add a new payment method which you want to use. Once you have added a new payment method, the verification message will stop appearing, and that's how you can fix payment method verification required in App Store.